How to turn off Gemini on Android. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go over to your Google application. On the top right, you're going to see your profile icon. Go ahead and scroll down a bit and you're going to see settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see Gemini as one of the options where it says manage settings for Gemini, your AI assistant. So all you got to do is go ahead and click on that. And this is where you're going to be able to change any settings. And it says digital assistants from Google, choose between Gemini and Google Assistant. So if you want to go off Gemini, you can just simply go over to Google Assistant and switch to that if you would like to. And also you could change different things. Like if you want to change Gemini's voice or just turn captions off, you can do that. Where it says interrupt live responses, you can go ahead and disable that. Basically, you can just go ahead and disable every setting to ensure that Gemini doesn't enable itself. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. And the easiest way to do it is just changing it from Gemini to Google Assistant. Now, when you're here, you can also just go ahead and scroll down. If you want to completely wipe it and turn it off, right at the bottom, you can see it says you can turn off your digital assistant from Google at any time. So go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to say turn off digital assistant for Google, and then just go ahead and press turn off right there, and that's it. It's going to be turned off and you'll be good to go.